How you lift something heavy can make a huge difference. Lifting something incorrectly can lead to injury, while lifting something with proper technique can ensure that you move it safely and easily. You probably know someone that's hurt themselves from lifting incorrectly, or maybe you yourself have experienced that common injury from putting too much strain on your back while lifting something. That's where functional movement comes in. Functional movement is all about training your body to perform everyday tasks easily and safely. It's not just about lifting boxes, it's about improving your overall body mechanics. Functional movements include exercises like squats, lunges, and pulling and pushing movements. It mimics real-life activities such as lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or reaching overhead. It allows you to gain strength, improve your balance, and flexibility. Let's recap. Functional movement prepares your body for everyday activities, reduces your chance of injuries, and help you stay active whether you're lifting boxes or just playing with your kids. What's a common task that you find challenging? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any videos where we break down the basics in the health and fitness space. Keep moving and stay safe.